Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll dive into JIRA automation and learn how to create subtasks automatically when an issue transitions to the in progress status. This simple automation will save you time and effort in managing your projects efficiently. So let's get started. The first step is to log into your JIRA account and navigate to your project's dashboard. Once there, click on the Project Settings gear icon on the lower left corner. In the Project Settings, find and select the Automation option under the Project Settings section. Now, let's create a new automation rule. Click on the Create Rule button to get started. Give your rule a descriptive name like Create Subtask on in Progress. Choose the event that will trigger the automation. In our case, select Issue Transition from the list. Next, we need to specify the conditions for triggering the automation. Set the From status to the previous status and the To status to In Progress. Now, it's time to define the action that will be performed when the trigger condition is met. Click on Add Action and choose Create Issue. In this step, we'll set up the subtask that will be created. Set the issue type to subtask and fill in the necessary details like summary, description, and assignee. If you want to copy specific information from the parent issue to the subtask, you can map the fields accordingly. This step is optional but can be useful in some cases. Finally, review your rule settings, and if everything looks good, click on Save Rule to enable the automation. That's it! You've successfully set up JIRA automation to create subtasks automatically when an issue transitions to the in progress status. This simple automation will streamline your workflow and improve project management. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel at Tech with Just Jingle Tingle for more useful content. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.